We were having too much fun for one video. So let's say we took that common factor of 4 and we factored it out in front. X minus 2, the x plus 3/4. Now we factored out the 4 from here, so if we divide all those terms by 4, we'd have x squared minus 4x plus 1. Now there are no factors of 1 that add up to -4, so we're actually going to have to do the quadratic formula on this part. Huh! So let's see. Negative b, so opposite of -4, plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. All of that is over to a, and a is 1. So if we clean that up a little bit, let me scooch over here. So that would be positive 4 plus or minus square root of -4 squared is 16. 4 times 1 times 1 is 4. And then 2 times 1 is 2. 16 minus 4 is 12. And 12 has a perfect square. It's 4. 4 times 3. So that will give us 4 plus or minus 2 root 3 over 2. Now we can divide both of those by 2. It gives us 2 plus or minus root 3. Now, this gives you 2 zeros, right? We're looking for 4 zeros altogether. So we have the positive 2, we have the -3/4, and then this will give us our other 2 zeros. So after all of that wildness, let's write it in final factored form. We have the 4, we have the x minus 2, we have the x plus 3/4, and then remember, these are our 2 zeros. So we would say x minus, and we could set that up as 2 plus root 3. So we'll put it in parentheses there. That's one of the zeros. And then remember the other 0 is the 2 minus root 3. So we'll say x minus 2 minus root 3. That looks bananas. Let me scooch all that down a little bit so it doesn't interfere. So if we are looking, finally, for all the zeros, we would list them. We would say x equals 2, -3/4. And if you were just listing them, you could say plus or minus, or we could say 2 plus or minus square root of 3. That was bonkers. Very difficult.